Hey audience, look over there. There's Danny. There's Dad over there. They're not. Oh, they're not the same person. See, they're sitting right next to each other.
You're gonna be
Danny,
okay?
Brad.
You gave up your
Danny,
for telekinesis.
Brad. Okay, and that's Austin. He's being a jerk right now. And Jake.
We're all friends.
Today, we're eating prison food. Hello, I'm Vik Theman, and welcome to Vik Theman. I said it backwards today.
They felt like being
Today, I am sitting next to... He's not going to respond, really, so there's really no point in me talking about it. Hey, you're on live internet.
Look at the M.
No response.
No response.
Someone owes me. Someone owes me money for that. I saw it coming. Yes, I should have bet money on that.
Why?
Because it was obvious. I have 100% chance of winning. If I have 100% chance of winning, I should undoubtedly bet on it. That's a great policy. Go. I'm a blur.
It was a monster. 87.
67 is a lot better.
I have more faith in you.
Yeah. Or maybe it was 78th. I always put it backwards. It says 78th instead of 87th. That way it looks like I got a higher ranking.
That'd be awesome. Yes.
And here I am, giving you a whole new ranking completely.
I like going. I'll just go with 67th.
I like throwing a wrench in the system. Crap.
Yeah, you know that's good. Unless the system is a garbage disposal. Then that does not end well. New term and I have new classes, so it's kind of hard to make multiple videos, so
I did it in like 5
probably going to be only
minutes.
making...
Sage called you
I'm going to have to change it, so I'll make at least one video every 2 weeks.
So, were you made a group to Sage?
So yeah.
Oh, okay.
However, that does not mean I won't make more.
You know, that's how I normally am, though.
And I'm starting this one new.
I feel...
Look down in the description. Description.
I was?
I'm leaving a link for the most popular video of the week. Today's most popular video of the week is eating Skittles with Sir Crunchy Puffs.
I don't have any Skittles.
No, you like yell Skittles like you know. No. You're not gonna yell Skittles?
I'm in lunch. I don't want to yell Skittles.
It doesn't like to yell Skittles on camera. So if you're watching, never throw explosives in a garbage disposal. Case closed.
Wait, you're vlogging right now?
Yeah.
What's up, guys?
Here's the
Plus makes a cameo.
Okay, here's the audience people.
We're gonna make a cameo.
What's up? The mermaid.
She is a mermaid.
You're live on the internet.
I'm just like, oh,
Yep, and you just wave a fork at the camera.
Hey, you said cuss words in our video.
Yeah, you said cuss words in my video.
You rotten, bloody.
Stop it, dude. Alright, I'm gonna return that favor next time you vlog. I will do it for real.
Megan.
Leave a comment, subscribe,
and don't forget to like.